All welcome. Here you can see a colorful welcome. Now it means we are going to learn colorful lesson or poem today. Yes, so are you ready? We are going to learn a colorful poem like this welcome. Okay, so let's start. Now students, here you can see your textbook. Like this textbook you are going to use for English. Okay, and here you can see 4-line notebook pages. You have to write in 4-line A4 size notebook. Okay, and we are going to learn poem number 1, Bridge. So, like this textbook and notebook you are going to use for this poem reading and writing. Before writing, you have to write day, date, topic name for heading, and above topic you have to write C.W, and after that you have to start your writing. Okay, first of all we will learn this poem. Afterwards you can write hard words in CW notebook. Okay, so shall we start the poem? Let's start. Unit 1, poem number 1, Bridge. Listen and recite the poem with actions. Students, here we are going to learn a poem of bridge. I know you all know the bridge, right? Have you seen the bridge anywhere? Yes. And bridge, it means connecting two roads or two lane. That means a bridge. Now we are going to see which bridge is here in this poem. Okay, and the poet is Christina Rossetti. This poem written by Christina Rossetti. Now let's learn the poem. Boat sails on the river and ships sails on the sea. You know, right? Which are the boats and which are the ships? Boats, it means small size boat, and ships, it means bigger size ships. Both boats can sails on the river. River is smaller than seas. So, smaller boats can sails on the river and ships sails on the sea. So, smaller boats can sails on the rivers and bigger ships can sails on the seas. Seas are bigger, you know, right? So, but clouds that sail across the sky. And where this cloud sails, students? Yes, clouds that sails across the sky. We can see the clouds in the sky, right? They are sailing in the sky. Are prettier than these. It means clouds are prettier than boats and ships. The poet is saying that clouds are prettier than boats and ships. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please. It means you have seen bridges on the rivers also, right? There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. It means Bridges are very pretty than this all. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the tree. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the tree. It means here you can see a beautiful bow of that heaven is called rainbow and overtops the tree. It means over the trees, it means above the trees you can see a beautiful rainbow. It is the bridge of heaven. Here the poet is saying that the rainbow is bridge of heaven. Overtops the tree. You can see overtops the tree and builds a road from earth to sky. It's prettier far than these. It means the rainbow is a road which builds from earth to sky. And this rainbow is prettier far than these. It means the poet is saying that clouds are prettier than boats and ships, right? And then the poet is saying that the bridge on the river is also prettier than clouds also. And next, the poet is saying that the bridge of heaven, it means rainbow, is prettier than these all. These all it means the rainbow is prettier than boats, ships, clouds and bridges. So, the poet is saying the rainbow is prettier far than these. Students, do you understand the poem? Yes, it is very easy poem. Easy words are using in this poem. Let's read the poem again. Repeat after me, okay? Boat sails on the river and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. We will see a video of this poem and let us recite the poem. Students, you have to listen and repeat after me these words, and afterwards you have to write these words in your CW notebook. First word is river. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Second word is S-K-Y, sky. Second word is S-K-Y, sky. S-K-Y, sky. Third word is S-E-A-C. S-E-A-C. Fourth word is C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Fifth word is B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. Fifth word is bridges, 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 bridges. Sixth word is heaven, 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 heaven. Seventh word is across, across. Seventh word is across, across. across, across. Eighth word is earth, 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 earth. Next, ninth word is prettier, prettier. Ninth word is prettier, prettier. prettier, prettier. Tenth word is ships, 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 ships. 11th word is bow, 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 bow. And last word is 12th word is overtops, 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 overtops. Students, write these words in your CW notebook. I am repeating once again these words, okay? First one is river, river. Second word is sky, sky. Third word is sea, sea. Fourth word is clouds, clouds. Fifth word is bridges, bridges. Sixth word is heaven, heaven. Seventh word is across, across. Eighth word is earth, earth. Ninth word is prettier, prettier. Tenth word is ships. 11th word is bow, bow. And 12th word is overtops, overtops, orange and red. There are 7 colors of rainbow. So, let's revise the colors once again. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So, we will learn the spellings of these colors. Okay? VIOLET, violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. First one is V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. Second color is I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. Third one is B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Fourth color is G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Fifth color is Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Sixth color is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And seventh color is R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Here are 7 colors of rainbow. Students, learn the spellings of these colors and you have to do one activity of rainbow. You can draw a picture of rainbow like a bridge, or you have to do a model of rainbow. If possible, you can do a model, otherwise you can draw the picture of rainbow. Parents, please click the photos of your students and send it on WhatsApp group of school. Thank you.